let it fall, my heart. And as it fell, you rose to clay. It was dark.